Hi there, I'm Sasha from Ideal Homes. I'm standing on the 3rd floor of Donna Maria II, and I just wanted to give you the latest update about what's happening with the project. So the project is on schedule. It's completing in the summer of 2023. They're really moving quite quickly, and we've had unbelievable demand with the project. We have only about 12 units left. We're taking 2 or 3 reservations a week, but we've got apartments on the ground floor, the first floor, the 3rd floor, 4th floor, and 5th floor. 3-bedroom apartments, 1 2-bedroom apartment, and several 4-bedroom apartments. And the reason it's so much in demand is because the developer is now thinking that he's really priced them wrongly and priced them too low. And he now regrets actually not having the prices 100,000 euros more than they are now. So if you still are interested in a fantastic luxury high-end apartment, walking distance to everywhere, and also if you're interested in the Golden Visa, then this project will be one that I think you should really consider. The prices start, we're still getting the 5% discount, we're still managing to persuade him to keep the 5% discount, keep the prices as they are, but any day he's going to be removing the 5% discount and increasing the prices of the remaining units. So the pricing starts from 565,000 for a 3-bedroom on the ground floor with direct access to the pool, and then they go up obviously from there. So if you're interested in wanting to know a little bit more information, then you can contact me directly at Sasha at idealhomesportugal.com, or alternatively at info@idealhomesportugal.com. And now I'm just going to show you an apartment with the walls are up on the ground floor, so you get an idea of sort of the layout of each apartment. Thank you. Okay, so I'm now on the ground floor. I'm in block 2. So there is a front entrance to each block that you got a code to let yourself in. And then you walk here. And then over here you've got 2 elevators. You've just got a right apartment and you've got a left apartment. 2 elevators that take you up to the top floor or take you down to the basement with the 2 individual car parking spaces, 1 prepared for electric car, and storage room as well. And then you open up the doors here. It's a smart home, so you can control everything via an app. You'll have a panel here to be able to control everything and program it. So for example, when you leave the property, you can just click a button, then all the blinds and all the lights get switched off. So you've got a large open plan living room, dining room, kitchen area. The kitchen cabinets arranged across here like this, and then you'd probably position a dining room table over there, and then obviously the sofa and the coffee table and so on. Fiber optic cable, underfloor water-based heating with a heat pump, central aircon, ducted aircon in the ceilings. Solar panels, obviously central vacuuming system, central hi-fi system. You've got floor to ceiling windows, and side to side there's literally no walls here at all. And then you walk up onto the terrace. So the terrace starts here. Okay? Now if you notice on the ground floor the terraces are absolutely massive in size, whereas on the floors above they're very big, but they're not as big as the ones on the ground floor. So if you really want a lot of outside space, then these would be the ones to go for. So you've got a covered area, and then of course you've got an uncovered area. And what's great about these is that you have direct access to the pool. So there'll be a gate here, and then you walk out from that gate. The floor will be about this high, the ground level of the apartment itself. And then this is all much lower than it's going to be. You walk down 2 or 3 steps with direct access to the pool. The pool is going to be sort of in this position over here. And then in front of you will be the spa with obviously the inside heated pool, sauna, gymnasium and jacuzzi. And that will wrap around and then connect to block 5 over there. So if you really want a direct access to the pool, this will be the one to go for, and the prices for these ones are 565,000. So I think these are really good value for money. If you're looking at generating rental income, then this is obviously a very good option as well, because rental guests often have children and they want to have direct access to the pool and be able to look look and see what they're doing. And then we've got here the master bedroom, which is connected to the same terrace. And so, you've got a large bedroom here. And then you have an ensuite here. This is a 3-bed, 3-bath property, 2 ensuites. So this is the master facing south with an ensuite with a walk-in shower. But if you wanted a bath, we could make sure that you get the bath. And then you've got the other 2 bedrooms here. This is the one which has a separate bathroom here. So if you had, for example, guests sleeping on the sofa bed in the living room, then they will be using this bathroom along with the guests or yourself using this bedroom here. And then over here we've got the other bedroom, again with a bathroom en suite here. And then good size. And you have obviously the terrace here. It's a smaller terrace, but bear in mind that the floor will be sort of at this height here. And so these apartments, the 3-bedroom apartments, are averaging around 140 meters squared, which is, 1,500 square feet. And then the terraces, well, you've seen how big they are. They're absolutely massive. So that's a typical 3-bedroom apartment. And if you want to know more information, just speak to me. Thank you.
Hi, me and John are here today feeding the goats.
They say don't work with children, don't work with animals. I'm not sure about this one. Hello.
We don't get in there, but we're going to feed them anyway. But we're appealing today to people that want to come on television. Hopefully you've seen IHTV and you've seen us on there and what we do and how much fun we have. And now we're appealing, aren't we, John, for people to join us, but on UK TV.
Yes, there's a UK TV channel coming over to start filming in October. So if you're available to join us, the team at Ideal Homes, we'd like to take you on your adventure to show you properties across the Algarve. You'll be on camera, working with all the team, and we will have a great laugh. I'm sure we will.
Yep, we just need you in October for about 2 or 3 days, that's all. And just get in touch and we can't wait to meet you.
Hi there, this is Sasha from Ideal Homes Portugal, and I'm standing now on the 2nd floor of Santa Maria II. This is in plot 3, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about the latest news concerning Santa Maria II. So we've got about 30 apartments still left. We've got about 25 in plot 3, this is plot 3, and on the other block, plot 1, we've got about 5 or 6 apartments left. Some of the apartments in Block 3 have spectacular sea views that you can see behind me. So if you're still interested in possibly buying a property with sea views, or indeed if you're looking at perhaps getting a rental property to generate rental income, or if you need the Golden Visa, which is terminating at the end of this year, this project would really work well for you. Modern, contemporary, open plan, all the fixtures and fittings of the very highest quality, underfloor heating, central aircon, solar panels, a 25-meter pool, gymnasium, underground car parking space, 5 to 10 minute walk into the center of town. The cheapest units we've got left are around 420,000, and they rise up to 980,000. You're paying a little bit of a premium for a sea view, obviously, but there are enough units left now for whatever budget you're really looking for. So if you want a little bit more information about this, you want to book in a one-on-one session with me to talk about it in greater detail, then you can contact me on sasha@idealhomesportugal.com or info@idealhomesportugal.com. Hope to speak to you soon. Thank you.